Ever felt a pang of frustration when your Share My Location isn't sharing? Let's get your iPhone's Share My Location feature back in action by diving into a few key troubleshooting steps. First, we need to ensure location services are enabled. Navigate to Settings. Then tap on Privacy and Security. From there, select Location Services. Make sure the toggle at the top is switched to green that's on if it's already on. Try toggling it off and then back on again. This often helps refresh the connection. Next, check if Find My has permission to use your location. Scroll down in the Location Services list to find My. Tap on it and ensure it's set to Always or While using. The app Always is best for continuous sharing, but while using can also work. Now, let's look at your iCloud status. Go back to the main settings screen and tap on your Apple ID at the very top. Make sure you're signed into iCloud. If you see an option to sign in, tap that. Sometimes a simple sign out and sign in can resolve sync issues. Another crucial check is your network connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent location sharing. Try toggling your Wi-Fi and cellular data off and then back on if you're on Wi-Fi. Try connecting to a different network, or try using cellular data if available. For deeper network troubleshooting, consider resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, and then choose Reset Network Settings. This will remove all saved Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings, but it can often fix underlying connectivity problems that impact location sharing. Once you've completed these steps, open the Find My app and try requesting your friend's location or sharing yours. Again, with these checks, your Share My Location should be working smoothly and reliably.